Good morning.
Hello, good morning. It's a Sunday today. So we're going out for a date. Pupunta kami ng Santa Ramen. We miss ramen noodles, Japanese food. And then it's in El Camino. So this is one of the best ramen in San Mateo. So pupunta kami ngayon. They're open at 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. So samahan niyo kami.
Nine most probably.
Yeah. Kuyugta dito. Mga KaYo, it's good to see you.
But before that, napa your errand.
Yeah, we need to pick up some donated clothes
Para
for,
sa fisherman naman.
yeah, for the Philippines. And then I guess some books also. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Good to see you mga KaYo. Welcome back. So we're here at Santa Ramen. Pero kanit tapad lang siya sa D-Dom's Party and Toy. Kung mag-party mo, ari mo magpamalit og kuan mga party needs.
Ito kung na by line kay naman po yung popular na Chinese.
Yeah.
Chinese na na? Is that a Chinese
I think so.
buffet? Hadide.
Then sa kabila naman is Nijia Market. Nijia Market is a Japanese groceries sushi deli. Og sipat. Lamig po ng sipat. It's a Taiwanese soup.
Okay. Irashaimase.
Arisaimase. Welcome to Santa Ramen. They're open on Sunday 11 to 2. Okay, let's go. It's a small place. It's a small place, but cozy and their food is good. Ito yung pinunta namin dito sa Santa Ramen. We miss it. Ito yung Santa Ramen noodles nila. Bento box. Chicken katsu, shrimp, edamame, orange, green salad, and macaroni salad, and squid legs, and a green tea. Okay, let's eat.
Busog-lusog.
Busog-lusog. Yan yung Santa Ramen. Nag-lunch kami dyan, and ito yung place dito. It's a small place, but it's good. And then pupunta kami na where's Nijia?
They're on there.
Pupunta kami na Nijia Market. Bibili ng parchment paper for the muffins.
For baking.
Yeah. Okay. A baking day. Ay. Kaya mag-bake akong bossing. See you. It's a small place na market, Nijia Market. Para kading nasa Japan. Oh yeah?
Unbridged.
Okay.
Pero,
Ilang ta magpalit?
ilang sa?
Hmm?
Yeah, magpalit na lang ko online.
Kung magpalit ka na, okay. We should buy this slippers na may kuwan. Therapy na slippers. 5
Like
lang
that?
no? Nah, that's
Okay
okay.
ra, mo palit ka karon?
Dali ra.
It's okay.
Dito na lang kami kasi maraming tao. Andito na kami sa Macys. Yung mga gusto ng mga bags dyan dito, mga branded na bag. go. It's in.
Can I go to the restroom first?
Okay.
Ha?
Yeah.
I-take mo na ako.
Macys. Punta kami ng food court. Kakain ng ice cream. Yung dessert namin.
So should we just go to the store first?
Now, at least nakagala din. 60% off. Well, look at that. Shoe Palace is coming soon.
The Shoe Palace.
Yes. Banana Republic. Yung food court nila nasa second floor. Akit tayo. Dining terrace. Ice cream na this. Yes. Yan. Haagen-Dazs.
Restroom sa ako daan.
Yan. Bibili ka ng ice cream dyan.
Blueberry collection. Restroom sa ako? Asa
Yeah.
ka? Yara ka?
Yan. Dala ako.
Okay, see ya.
Okay.
Yeah, same. Aslaw no? Para din natilaw ta. Thank you!
So ito na lang yung kinuha namin kasi masyadong maasim ang blueberry, lemon,
Crumble.
crumble ice cream nila. So I get the
Strawberry na.
strawberry. What's your flavor?
Chocolate crumble something.
Chocolate crumble. So we're here at food court nila.
My KaYo, so good. Haagen-Dazs. Cheers.
Cheers. Ito yung view namin sa food court. Enjoying our day. Pwede kayong pumunta dito sa Hillsdale Mall, San Mateo. If you're from San Francisco area, you can ride a Caltrain and stop at Hillsdale Station. And same thing with from San Jose, Hillsdale Station din yung stop ninyo. Yun sa front na yan. Yung nakikita niyo yung building ng Roblox. Yan, nandyan yung Hillsdale Station. Madali lang pumunta dito. Accessible lang ng ano, call train.
Wala kayo mag-call train. Kayo mag-drive. Naghan ng tao ang mall.
Yeah, marami ng tao dito. Marami nang pumapas yan. Ganda ng araw ngayon. 75 degrees Fahrenheit. So, ang mga tao naka-t-shirt lang, naka-shorts. Maganda yung weather. Blue skies. California weather. We're going back to Macys. We're looking for shoes.
Shoes.
Yeah. I think we need to go one down, no floor. Yeah. And this one.
Ang shades ni Mama.
Turn left. Kasi yung shades kailangan.
Ang Lego.
Oh, yeah.
Gold na good na color. Di good gold na. Gold.
Oh, okay.
Color lang siya.
There's shoes there.
Wala yung gabinana ba?
We're going there. The shoes is... I'm looking for a shoes. Pipili mo na ako.
Hindi ko kinumdum kasi pangan Shake Shack.
Shake Shack.
Huwag na paggawa sila. May napagawa na mo?
Ano? Yeah.
Okay.
So after nag-shopping sa Macys kay namin diri sa ilahan ko Morag water park nila. Magandang tumambay dito, malamig yung tubig. Bibili muna kami ng burger dyan sa Shake Shack. Let's go inside.
Ha?
Let's go. Shake Shack. Pwede ra punta diri lalabay? Kailan ka tis gawas? Okay. So, order muna kami ng burger.
Shack burger ako.
Yeah, Shack burger, okay.
Ha?
Yeah,
Single.
singles. Make it soup.
Yeah. Single. Wala rin customize lang.
No. Okay. How do you get drinks?
Ay, basta.
Select something. Ay, sorry. No thanks. You need to. Yeah, no thanks.
Strawberry lemonade.
Make it large. Imutilaw ko.
That's it, fries.
No thanks.
Fries. Isa ka fries?
Yeah, saka fries.
Which one? Spicy
Oh
fries.
yeah, try the spicy.
May kanang crispy?
Kuha ng salt. Yanan ka.
Dayon,
Add. Check out. Okay, yun yung in-order namin. Ito yung in-order namin sa Shake Shack.
Cheeseburger lang. Basic
Cheeseburger, basic cheeseburger and spicy
fries.
fries. That's the burger. Strawberry lemonade. And this is the place. This is the view. You can work from here.
Ay, so ni 100 charge.
Yeah. And then that's the Shake Shack. Wow. A very good place to relax.
Thank you all for watching this here video. Please like and subscribe and follow. Much love from little Yas to each of you. Content creator, Macys.